Do you know what really causes thunder? Or why lightning strikes where it does? Do you know how water, calm and clear, can turn into nature's most destructive force in seconds? From the skies above to the oceans below, witness the untold story of Earth's most electrifying connection. This is not just a documentary. This is a journey into the heart of the storm. Streaming now, only on YouTube.